In this video, I'll show you how to post sponsored ads on your Facebook page step by step. Sponsored ads help you reach a larger audience by promoting your page, products, services, or content through Facebook's advertising platform. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. You can either create a new page post or choose an existing one that you'd like to promote. Once the post is published, tap the Boost Post button below it. If you want more advanced advertising options, open Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager and tap Create to start a new ad campaign. Choose your campaign objective, such as engagement, website traffic, leads, messages, or sales. Next, define your target audience by selecting details like location, age, interests, and other available targeting options. Set your budget and campaign duration, then review the ad preview to make sure everything looks correct. Confirm your payment method and tap Boost Now or Publish to submit your ad for Meta's review. Once approved, your sponsored ad will begin running according to your selected schedule, and you can monitor its performance in Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.